Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up duplicate management in Zoho CRM, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up duplicate management in Zoho CRM, first, log into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, find and click on the data administration section. Select duplicate management from the options provided. Now, click on the Create Rule button to start a new duplicate management. You'll need to select the module for which you want to set up the duplicate management. Choose from options like leads, contacts, or accounts based on your requirements. Next, name your rule clearly so you can recognize its purpose later. You will now define the criteria for identifying duplicates. Select the fields you want to compare, such as email, phone, or name. Decide on the matching criteria, selecting between exact matches or similar matches as needed. You can also add multiple criteria by clicking on Add Criteria. Next, set the rule for how duplicates will be handled. Choose whether to display a warning, block duplicate creation, or merge duplicates automatically. Once you have configured the settings, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Click on Save to finalize your duplicate management rule. You can now monitor duplicate records by going back to the Duplicate Management section. Use the tools provided to review, merge, or delete duplicates that have been identified. Finally, test your new rule by attempting to create a duplicate record to ensure the setup works as intended. Adjust any settings as needed based on the results of your tests. Your duplicate management in Zoho CRM is now successfully set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.